In this video, I will show you how to check all apps saved password in Samsung Mobile. So if you ever saved your any app or any account passwords in your Google account, here's how to check them. To do that on your mobile, you have to open Google Chrome browser. And now make sure to sign in to the Google account in which account you saved all of your app and account passwords. Now just tap on your Google photo here and tap on Google Password Manager. And then you will directly jump into your Google Password Manager, and in this list you will find all of your saved app passwords and account passwords. To view any app password, just tap on the account or app, verify your pattern or your fingerprint, and then just tap on this little eye icon to make the password visible. So that's how we can check all apps saved password in Samsung. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.